Here is another easy project that I wanted to share with you to get you ready for Halloween. These are simple enough for kids to do, use as Halloween party favors, or to decorate at your home. You will need clean, empty water bottles, gauze, googly eyes, and your glue gun. Start by cutting off the top of the bottles. Glue the googly eyes to the side of the bottle. Attach the end of the gauze to the bottom of the bottle. Wrap the gauze around the bottle, leaving a little section open around the eyes. Fill them with your favorite Halloween candy. These will look great decorating your home or handing out to kids at school or to just friends in the neighborhood. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.